Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali, and for those of you that do know me, hi and welcome back. We are here with another unboxing like we always have for the videos, and I just want to say thank you for those of you that are returning back to my channel and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it, and if you guys don't mind, please give my videos a thumbs up if you guys like them. For those of you that are new, please consider subscribing. I post a lot of different unboxing videos. I have different subscriptions, and those are the type of videos that I have here on my channel. And I just hope I will see you all again on my next video when I have another unboxing. But for now, let's get into the box that we have here. We have our Macys beauty box for the month of November. No, we're already in December. What am I thinking? The year is almost over and I'm still thinking we're in November. But we have our box for December. For those of you that don't know about this box, this is a $15 a month subscription from Macys. And what we get here is 5 to 6 products along with a cosmetic bag. For a while, they stopped doing the cosmetic bag and instead started adding an extra product, which I honestly really liked because I get a lot of these. I still have this one sitting here, but I get a lot of these makeup bags from other subscriptions. So it was actually pretty nice to see that here they changed it up a little bit. So I hope this month is the same because I honestly didn't know if it was a permanent change or not. But let's get into this box and see what we have for this month. Okay, so right off the bat, I can see that they brought the cosmetics bags back because this is what I have for this month, and it's actually pretty cute. I like that they put a handle here because I can honestly, this one is nice enough to be used as a small like wristlet. So I like this. I honestly prefer this over a cosmetic bag because it does not, at least for me, it does not look like a makeup bag. It does look like a small wristlet. Right, Cindy? Cindy agrees. So it looks like a little wristlet that you can use when you go out, especially since it's nice and sparkly. It's giving me like New Year vibes. So this is totally something that you can use for that day, obviously, as long as it matches your outfit. But this is something that you can use for that day. So this is honestly a lot better than what they've done before. So Macys, please keep it up. So like always, we have a pamphlet with all of the items that we have inside. And like always, we have all of the items wrapped up in our little pink tissue paper. So let's unroll it and see what we have. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one because it looks interesting. This is from Grande Lips, and it is a hydrating lip plumper. So this is what the box looks like, and in back here it says it instantly improves lip volume in 3 to 5 minutes. 90% fuller lips, 90%, what's wrong, I can't read, 97% lips feel hydrated. So they have a picture here. I hope you guys can see it of the before and after. So I mean, if it works. So then it also says this is in the shade Midnight Shimmer, and it is a gloss, but it looks like it's like a gloss with a lot of color. So let me take it out so we can see. Ooh, I really like their packaging. It's like a metallic, not metallic, a metal kind of tube. So wait, how do you open this? Oh, there you go. Wait, push. Oh, okay. So this is your applicator. It's like a rubberish kind of thing, like a silicone applicator. And then instead of like twisting, you push. So then the product, I'm assuming, is supposed to dispense to here. Okay, so let me take this lipstick off so I can actually try it out, because I'm curious to see how much of a change you will be able to see once you put this on. So let me take this off really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I took the lipstick off. Now let me go ahead and apply this to see what it feels like. I hope it doesn't burn too much because then I'm gonna have to take it off. That's a pretty color though. Just want to be very careful so I don't get too much out. And then I don't know what to do with it. I'm not liking the applicator too much. Just because I feel like it's moving the product around too much when it shouldn't. Okay, so this is the color. I like the color, but I do not like the applicator. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but in person, it looks like it's really, really messy. It's hard to move the lip gloss around to where you want it to go because this is a silicone tip. I don't know, just the way that it moves it around, it doesn't leave it where you want it to be. And it's really hard to even it out as well. So I don't know. This one is like an iffy for me. So I just want to wear it to see what it feels like right now. I can just feel like it's a little bit minty, but I'm not feeling too much just yet. So it does say it takes 3 to 5 minutes for it to give you the volume that it gives you. So let's see what it feels like in a little bit. So I'm just going to continue going through the rest of the products. So that was the first one. And next I'm going to grab this one. It is from Galactic. And this is the 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. So we got 2 lip products this time. And this is in the shade Twinkle. This one says apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick. Or you can just let it sparkle on its own. So this is what the pencil looks like, and it's just like a little chubby stick. Let me see the shade. So let's see. Ooh, that's a nice shimmery, sparkly. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera just because it doesn't really have color. It's mostly the sparkle and shimmeriness that it leaves behind. But in person, it's really, really pretty. It almost looks like the highlighter that you would put on your cheekbones, but this one is for your lips. So this would look really, really pretty on top of a maybe a darkish kind of lipstick, like a matte lipstick. Like put this on top and then kind of like spread it out a little bit. I think that would look really, really pretty. So this is our second item from Galactic. Then up next, I'm gonna grab this one. It is from Pure, and it is a highlighter in the shade Afterglow. So it looks like it's a really nice champagne-y kind of color. So let me get a swatch and so we can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in the pen. It's really, really pretty. So let me see. Ooh, it feels nice and soft and really pigmented. That is it on my finger. And let me swatch it here. Ooh, that's really nice. This is really, really pigmented. I hope you guys can see it. I hope it picks it up. But this is really, really pretty. It's nice and soft too. It's like really, really creamy, powdery. Well, not powdery because it doesn't feel powdery. But it's a really creamy powder. And it goes on really, really nice. So I'm really liking this box. So I'm gonna grab this one because it looks nice and mysterious. I have no idea what it is. As you guys can see, it's just packaged in a plain box. It has a sleeve. Ooh, okay. This is the makeup drop, the original silicone beauty applicator. After trying the applicator that was on here that is either like plastic or some type of silicone or some type of plastic, I don't know how this one would work for applying foundation all over your skin, because like I mentioned with that one, it wouldn't place the product exactly where you needed the product to be. So I don't know if this would be something similar because, you know, I don't know. So it really is, it's pretty. It's clear with little glitters inside. And it's just a silicone teardrop shaped silicone thing. So I don't know how this would really apply your makeup, but I am really interested in finding out. So fourth product from the box. Let's keep going because we still have more things in here. I'm gonna grab this one next. This is from Elizabeth Arden, and it is the Vitamin C Ceramide capsules. Radiance Renewal Serum. So we get a little vial with little capsules inside. And these little capsules, you pretty much just take one out, twist the top off, and then you put the serum on your hand and then apply it to your face. How many do you get? 7? Only 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah, you get 7 capsules in here. This is supposed to diminish dullness and even skin tone to reveal a healthy, luminous glow. So that is the purpose of these capsules. And like I said, you get 7 of these. And we are down to our 2 fragrances. Not so far. Recently, what Macys also started doing is they would give you 2 different fragrances. One for women and then one for men. So the one that we have for women is from Carolina Herrera, and it is in the scent or the name. It's not necessarily the scent, but I guess it's the name of the perfume for that scent. It is Good Girl, and I honestly really, really like this scent. It smells really like. It's not a floral scent. I can't describe the scent. We don't have the notes here, but I'll check the little pamphlet to see if they give you any of the notes, just because I am horrible at describing the scent. But it's a nice, soft scent. And then for men, we have the, I don't know, it says Invictus, and then it says Legend here, and then we have Paco Rabanne. This is what it looks like, and then this is what the cover looks like for the one for women. So if you look on the inside, they give you a picture of what the bottle, what the full-size bottle would look like. So this one would look like a heel, and then this one here almost looks like a trophy cup kind of thing. So if you were to buy these full size, that's what your bottles would look like. So those were all the items from the box. So now let me get the pamphlet to see what item didn't make it to my box. And you know what? From the picture, it looks like I got everything I was supposed to. I don't know why they gave me that little oops card. But, okay. So let me tell you what the full size prices would be if you were to purchase the full sizes. So what we have here is obviously a full size of the makeup drop, and this has a $20 retail value. So with this one here, we're pretty much getting the value that we paid for the box originally. Then we have the Pure Mineral Glow Skin Perfecting Powder in the shade Afterglow, and this one full size is $26. And then we have the Elizabeth Arden Vitamin C Ceramide Capsules Radiance Renewal Serum, and full size of this one would be 60 pieces, so we have 7. And if you were to get the full size with 60 pieces, you would be paying $84. Then we have the Galactic, and again, we have the full size here for our box. Retail value for this one is $17. So in both of these items here that we got full size, we are already getting $37 worth in our box. Then we also have, I think this is another full size. Retail value for this one is $25. So we got a really good box here. 3 out of the 5 items are full sizes. Then we have both of our perfumes, the Carolina Herrera and Good Girl. The 2.7 ounce would cost you $117, and the Paco Rabanne Invictus Legend perfume, 3.4 ounces, would cost you $96. So after getting the prices for those, I think I already thought it was a good box, but knowing that 3 out of our 5 items, this one is still in between, but 3 out of our 5 items are full sizes for sure, and I only paid $15. And on top of that, what I forgot to mention is that we always get a coupon every month. It's usually $5, but this time we got 10. So for my next beauty purchase, I will get $10 off if I use this coupon here. So I thought this was a really, really good box. Let me know what you guys think down below. Did you guys think this is worth the $15? Because I honestly did. Let me know. I hope to hear from you guys down in the comments below. Those were all the products from my box. So that is all from me for today. And I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.